Hi everyone, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. I love to craft and create unique things. Today I am journaling my way, so sit back, relax, and have a cup of sweetness and watch some unique journaling. See if you like it and let me know. Motivational journaling is what I'm doing today to encourage others to make it through the day. Sometimes it is difficult to motivate yourself when there are trials and tribulations that keep you down. So let's see what I can do. The supplies needed include brown paper bags, lunch size, reptile adhesive, stickers, cardstock printed paper, rub-ons, newspaper, scissors, motivational sayings, stamps and ink, family photos, handles from an old paper bag, flowers and Velcro, and walnut stain. Now, this is a junk journal that is made from 3 brown paper bags. I glued them together and started to decorate. I put an orange polka dot cardstock paper on top. I stamped a saying by Mother Teresa. Stamped a succulent and some filled flowers on the bottom. The bag opens and I put a card inside that says she leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes. I put that inside. Next page, a pink envelope was glued to the back of the bag and a pink flower was rubbed on the flap. A piece of book page was torn and stamped with hearts, a dried flower, and butterflies. Inside, the card says, "Just keep being you," with a B underneath the words. And of course, to make it look a little distressed, the torn page was distressed with walnut stain. The next page was a torn book page with colorful butterflies and French words. And inside there was a heart that said, "I love you." People may go for days without someone saying they love them, so this is a heart that expresses that love. Next is a place where you can visit in Paris that is simply beautiful. I've been there. Although you may not be able to visit this beautiful place, you can see pictures or documentaries that will boost your spirits. However, you can go there, fly like a butterfly that is in the middle between 2 pages made from a book page. And I didn't have to cut it out because I just happened to have one on hand that I had made some time ago. Next is family. On the outside, I rubbed the words and added a sticker on the bottom. And this was from a Dollar Tree rub-on, and it said family, so all I had to do was just rub it on. I didn't have to do one word at a time. The off-white cardstock with a ruffle at the top was in my stash, and I glued it to two sides and the bottom. Inside are pictures of my family as a reminder that, hey, I'm loved. So you can put pictures of your family to show that you're loved. And if that's not the case, put some pictures of something or someone that makes you feel special. Inside the bottom of the bag is another saying reminding that you are fabulous. The next page is another French saying that is a term for endearment. It is a beautiful floral paper, and below that is various succulent stamps. So if you're into gardening, you can have fun with this page. Inside the bag is a card with a ribbon that lets you know that this is handmade with love. More beautiful paper is put on the back with arrows, and that's just to allow you to put other messages on if you so choose. The last page is the faith page with a butterfly and flowers. Inside is a thinking of you card and a Bible verse that says, "Your kindness has often refreshed the hearts of God's people." Philemon 1:7. On the back side, there is a sticker that says, "Always be kind." Two bag handles were put on either side of the bag. They were glued there with the reptile adhesive. I made a little handle, and a flower was put on one side, and the other side I put Velcro, and then on the bag itself was the other piece of Velcro so that you folded it over and it stuck so that the bag would not flop open. This is so fantastic. I just may make another one. And I've got some more ideas that I think you will love if I do this again. Sun loves to craft with simple items with the aim of saving the environment. She loves farmhouse, holidays, and upcycles, and sometimes hauls. Those are her favorite things that she likes to do. So make sure that you follow her on her channel. Her YouTube is www.youtube.com/sunsarts. That's SUNS ARTS, Suns Arts. Now, Sun's video is in my description box. So make sure that you subscribe, like, save, and comment. The link to Sun's video is in the description box below. And then there are other crafters that are journaling also, so be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels. The link to the playlist is in the description box below. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Crafting is satisfying, but also very challenging. In fact, it has been said, you craft, you live longer. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each and every week. I appreciate all of your comments. And remember, Lord, make me an instrument of thy peace. Where there is hatred, Let me sow love. This is by Francis of Assisi. See you later. Bye-bye.